I'm delighted that I'm invited in this very novel initiative of science camp. Okay, so the objective of the science camp was to popularize STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Okay, so but most of the discussions were popularizing science. Okay, so if you all know that for our development or civilization, science is required, science as well as technology. So from our university, we have taken an initiative to invite best of the minds, the little kids who have just passed out as well. So to popularize the role of science as well as technology and mathematics in our daily lives. So we invite that best of the minds come to the best of the universities, colleges, and on behalf of the Alia University faculty members as well as being a chairman of AUAT, Alia University Admission Test, I also invite you in our university because you have the best of the faculty members are here. Okay, in the science, technology, engineering, and management. So now I would like to just present the process of our admission system.
Left to right.
Sensor का बताएगा? Sensor. So actually we have an autonomous system that is Alia University admission test, just like joint entrance. As per our statute, each year we conduct admission test for UG, PG, BA, and nursing programs. Okay. So in under UG there are arts, science, humanities, science, technology, all the subjects are there, as well as nursing and corresponding PG courses, and also BA, that is teachers training. So these are our committee members. Actually, you know that admission tests are taken, the written admission tests are taken in our AUD system. So there is no direct interview kind of system here. So if you are interested, you have to apply and there will be admission test in each and every subject. So we have 3 campuses, as you know, for undergraduate, postgraduate, and BA programs. 23 academic departments, and we offer 50 academic programs. Okay, undergraduate, postgraduate, and BA programs. So this is the pattern of examinations. So each question papers are having 100 marks and 2 hours duration. So there are 2 parts. One is obviously the questions are MCQ, and there are 2 parts. Part 1 is having subjective, based on subject. Part 2 is the general kind of things. MCQ question on general knowledge, general English, Islamic history, and culture. Okay. So the division is 70 plus 30. 70 on subject basis and 30 is general questions. That is general knowledge, general English, and Islamic history and culture. Okay, so this is the question pattern, and all are MCQ. So and each are having 1 marks. So there will be 100 questions. It's a general. So that will be a OMR sheet will be given to you, and as you know the normal process by OMR you have to use black and blue ball point pen only. After that OMRs will be checked and the merit list will be published. Okay. So there is no as such cutoff in the examination. So there will be a merit list, just like joint entrance, there will be a merit list. Okay. So suppose 1,000 candidates are appeared in the examination, so all 1,000 candidates will be under merit list. So there is no cutoff in the um, merit list that after 50 marks they will be eligible or kind of thing. So this is the schematically we have shown the process. First the online applications. So now for your nice informations, already the applications are going on. Okay, so last date is 20th April. So those who are interested, finally go to the Alia University website portal, and there is the AUAT portal is there. So from AUAT portal, you log in, you register first, then log in and just do whatever is asked you. Okay, so 20th is the last. 20th April is the last date of application. And that portal is maintained by the ERP. It's maintained by government organization, Webull Technology, that maintains that. So that is not in the Alia University hand. It is maintained by the government portal. Okay, and Webull maintains not only Alia University, other universities also. So after online applications, before entrance examination, you have to download your admit card that we will notify in the website. And after that, admission test will be taken. Okay? So now, just write down the date of examination, 24th and 25th May. For all UG programs, the entrance test will be 24th and 25th May for all UG programs. Okay, except nursing. 1st June, 4-year nursing program and B.Ed programs. Admission test will be for 4-year nursing and B.Ed programs. 1st June. This date may be changed because there is some conflict with other same kind of examinations. So 24th and 25th May for all UG programs, science, technology, humanities, arts, all UG programs. So this schedule will not change. For PG program, 28th and 29th June. So there are 3 steps in entrance test. One is 24th and 25th May. Next is 1st June, and finally 28th and 29th June. So 3 phases for entrance test. So after that, admission test. So before the admission test, just 7 or 10 before admission test, 7 and 10 days you will be able to download the admit cards. So then publication of the result. So we will process the webinars, and there will be a professional waiting list, and result will be published. Next, after that there will be a counseling. So in Alia University there are 2 types of counseling. One is physical counseling, another is online counseling. That depends on the subject. For example, for BTech courses, we organize physical counseling. Okay? Because for BTech and BXc, there will be 1 rank, single examination, and 1 rank will be there. Now we will ask the student physically, and as per their ranking, they will choose the subject. For example, those who have ranked 1 and he or she like the computer science, so he or she will get the computer science. Okay. So in this way, there we have 5 engineering subjects and 1 BC. So that counseling will be the physical courses. But other subjects like science or humanities, okay, so we will just publish list, and in the list there will be a online counseling, and they can pay their fees by online. So just for the information, those who are science as well as general science as well as humanities subjects, they are counseling within the online process. Next, there will be an allotment list. Okay. So after counseling, those who have taken admissions by paying all the fees and just the document verification is complete, there will be the allotment list and online payment will be there. So this is the complete procedure of AUAT admissions. UG programs, for UG programs, not for PG, nursing or BH. PG programs, we have 14 admission centers throughout West Bengal. Okay, from Kujbihar to Haldia, from North Bengal to South Bengal. Okay, as well as in the Alia University. So, candidate can choose their test centers. Okay, priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, priority 4. This way they can choose their test centers. So everything will be happening in the online. So you don't have to come to the university or office or something. So all are given in the DBT portal. Just go there, and also a helpline number is given. If you face any difficulties during online process, you can call. Okay. So EFT personnel there as well as DBT personnel there. And the application fee very minimum, that is 400 for male candidates and 300 for female candidates. This is our flyers from very 2 years, 2014 and 2000. Sorry, 2024 and 2025. You can see this is the complete departments and their programs. We have 23 departments and 50 programs, and we are just those who are interested in BTech programs. So BTech and BCA programs. We have 5 BTechs and 1 BCA programs, Bachelor of Computer Applications. So in this BTech program, we take admission through joint venture as well as AVT. 80% of the 60 seats we take through AVT. Okay, and 20% we take through the WBJE. Okay, now I just appeal to the candidates who are interested in taking BTech admissions. They kindly go through AVT, because in AVT the competition is less than the WBJE. Okay, WBJE there are only 20% seats, means 12 seats are there. Okay, but in the AVT there are 80% seats, 48 seats are there. So those who are present here, the candidates, I just appeal you to come to the AVT, because this competition is less rather than WBJE. Because then in WBJE, lakhs of students, okay, give the admission test. And so under engineering program, there are BTech, laterally into the second year of the BTech program and MTech program also. So you can see the seat matrix, the general 46, physically challenge is 2, through JE and GS 12 and total 64. Acha. So there are no reservations. There are no caste-wise or religion-wise reservations in Alia University. Those who are thinking that there might have some reservations in terms of religions or caste, or there is no SC, ST, OBC, minority, majority. Only there are some reservation in physically challenged. Okay. There are some reservations in the physical. So you can see there are PC physically challenged. Only 2 seats are there. Only 2 seats are there out of 60 seats. Okay. So there is no reservation because ours is a minority administered or controlled institute. Just note down the eligibility in BTech programs. That is, PCM marks will be physics, chemistry, math. That will be 50%. Okay. And in WBG that is 45%, but here it is 50%. And the overall marks will be 60%. So this is our criteria. This is the criteria that PCM, physics, chemistry, math will be 60%, 50%, and overall will be 60%. Okay, this is the criteria. ক্রাইটেরিয়া ফর সায়েন্স প্রোগ্রাম তোমাদের স্যার আপনি বলে দিয়েছেন, ঠিক আছে? তো just see the BSc honors in chemistry. Applicant must have studied physics, chemistry, mathematics having at least 100 marks in total in each final examination of the 10 plus 2 pattern. That means and secured at least 60% in the chemistry and 60% aggregate in the 12th level. So this is the criteria, respective criteria for other subjects like mathematics, physics or biology. Okay, this is the criteria. মানে পড়তে হবে ফিজিক্স কেমিস্ট্রি ম্যাথ 100 নম্বর করে পড়তে হবে, পাস করতে হবে, পড়া মানে পড়লে হবে না, পাস করতে হবে। ওকে, এন্ড কেমিস্ট্রির জন্য 60% কেমিস্ট্রিতে পেতে হবে এবং ফার্স্ট ডিভিশন পেতে হবে। সো এটা হচ্ছে ক্রাইটেরিয়া, এটা আমাদের ইউনিভার্সিটি ক্রাইটেরিয়া, ঠিক আছে? টু টেক অ্যাডমিশন ইন দ্য বিএসসি প্রোগ্রাম ফিজিক্স কেমিস্ট্রি ম্যাথমেটিক্স। তো এবছর আমরা একটা this year we have initiated a new program in statistics, that is 2 years master's in data science and applied statistics. Also তোমাদের জন্য applicable হয় because you are in plus 2. Acha, so we also have 4 years BSc nursing program. In nursing program, it's only for the female candidates, not for the male candidates. Okay. And just check the eligibility criteria. এখানে PCM 45% আছে, and there is no age limit. There is no age limit. Unlike other courses, there is no age limit in nursing program. যে কোনো বয়সে নার্সিং পরীক্ষা দিতে পারে, ঠিক আছে? Because nursing is controlled by nursing council. Okay, so as per their guideline, we have omitted the age criteria, ঠিক আছে? তো এটা আমাদের একটা আগের বছরের স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স ক্যাপাসিটি কত, এই আমাদের ইন্ডিয়ান ক্যাপাসিটি হ্যাজ ভ্যারিড, এবং সেখানে মোটামুটি আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে মেল অ্যান্ড ফিমেল স্টুডেন্টের মধ্যে প্যারিটি আছে। দেয়ার ইজ এ প্যারিটি বিটুইন মেল অ্যান্ড ফিমেল স্টুডেন্ট। এটা এমন নয় যে অল মেল স্টুডেন্টস আর হিয়ার, ঠিক আছে? মোটামুটি ব্যালেন্স আছে। So you can see, so the gender-wise statistics is this 56% male, 44% female. So gender balance আছে, yeah, there is a gender balance in alien. And this is the social status, general OBC. Okay, but actually in Alien University we have no caste-wise or religion-wise reservations. We give reservation to only physically challenged or differently able candidates. So, these statistics are our requirement নেই, ঠিক আছে? The state-wise status. So, 93% students are আমাদের state because it is a state university. 7% from different states. Nearby states, Jharkhand, Odisha, Assam, Tripura, they come on the student army. As international students, we also admit international students. You can see there are good numbers of international students are also studying here, and each and year we are promoting to take more numbers of international students. Okay, Bangladesh, African countries, okay. Southeast Asian countries we also taking it. So এটা আমাদের বিভিন্ন স্যাররা বিভিন্ন সেন্টারে DSS counseling, and the counseling process is going on. Physical counseling process, ক্যান্ডিডেটরা এসে শান্তভাবে বসে আছে, এক এক করে রাখা হচ্ছে তাদের চয়েস অনুযায়ী, ঠিক আছে? তো তারা অ্যাডমিশন দিচ্ছে, দেয়ার ইজ নো chaos. আচ্ছা, প্লিজ স্ট্রাকচার এটা আমার মনে হয় প্রত্যেকেই জানা উচিত। Actually, Alia University is a state university. Like Jadavpur University, Calcutta University, the fees are nominal here. As you can see, the admission fees and course fees are given. ছবিগুলো রাখতে পারবো আমরা, যার যেটা প্রয়োজন। For example, BTech and BCA, just admission fee is 6,900 and total course fee is 47,250. So one of the most key. After Jadavpur, we are in the second position in terms of course fee. Okay, so no other university or colleges this time. IITs take in one semester 90,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, now you can see how cheapest Alia University is. So now other courses also, you can check also the science courses. So actually fees are nominal. And not only that, most of the students get scholarship here. Most of the students who are from marginalized background, they got scholarship. So 60% students got the scholarship as per my data. Now you can see the fees are nominal.
ফিডব্যাক নেওয়া
such a
না আমার আমার স্ট্যান্ডটা লাগিয়ে দিলে ভালো হয়।
based on the minds
তাহলে একটু খুলে দিব স্ট্যান্ডে লাগিয়ে
Thank you.